Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the 2023 Jolly Box from FatQuarterShop.com. Now this did come about a week late to me, so I apologize for getting this video out late to you, but let's go ahead and dive right in and see what they sent. Inside it says, have a jolly holiday. The insert says, 'tis the season to be jolly, with 20% off of Christmas fabrics on the back. Next we have the insert here that tells you the box contents as well as the prices for each of the items. I will go through this and then I will also let you know how much we saved by purchasing this box. Shipped, this box cost me $51.94. Okay, first we have the Bowen Christmas cracker. This retails for $11.48. And this says, these crackers are the perfect gift to surprise and delight all quilters and sewists. Made in France, the Bowen Christmas crackers are a scrumptious combination of two of Bowen's best offerings, an assorted set of 20 30/9 hand sewing needles, and 80 red and green Murano glass head pins. Packaged in a sweet candy-shaped box, it is as cute as it is useful. Okay, so we just go ahead and twist. So we have those glass pins, and then we have the sewing needles. Next we have this 50-weight Aurifil Gray 100% cotton Mako thread. This retails for $13.98. This says, there is so much comfort in starting a new spool of thread. This large spool with 1,422 yards of Aurifil thread is a perfect neutral for piecing and quilting dark and light fabrics alike. Try this high quality cotton thread on the fabrics from this Jolly Box. Okay, next we have this Candy Christmas Enamel Zipper Charm. This retails for $10.98. And this is by Fat Quarter Shop. This is a Fat Quarter Shop Jolly Box exclusive, which means that you should not be able to find this on Fat Quarter Shop's website. We got it only. The Sweet Candy Christmas Enamel Zipper Charm is a perfect little treat, all wrapped up in a bow. Use this charm to decorate your favorite Christmas project bag, keychain, stocking stuffer, and more. Okay, so like they said, you can put this on your zipper. You can go ahead and put this on a bag. I do have my pair of Bernina scissors, my very favorite pair. This came with my long arm. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my favorite pair of scissors. And now I am festive and in the holiday spirit. Next we have this Christmas Candy Dish Holiday Cheer Fat Quarter Bundle. This is by Mind's Eye for Riley Blake Designs. And this retails for $23.98. This says, we say hooray for the happiest holiday of the year. The Holiday Cheer Collection by My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake Designs is full of the best and brightest bits of Christmas, from gingerbread sweets and stockings to trees and wreaths. This curated set of 8 fat quarters shines with a full gift set of Merry Prince and Sugar Sweet Christmas colors. Holiday Cheer is bound to add a touch more magic to your season. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just show you briefly. This is a cute little gingerbread print. Looks like maybe that same print, but in red. Then you have this cute little print. This has stockings on it. You have some words here. You have magic, joy, Noel, Christmas. You have presents and wreaths. You have this Santa print, and I will go ahead and put this up here as well so that you can see. And then you have this cute little dot print. Okay, so you actually do get 2 projects in this box. So the first is this Quilt As You Go Jolly Gingerbread Potholder Kit by June Taylor. We love these things. This is a Fat Quarter Shop Jolly Box exclusive, which means that you can only get it in the Jolly Box. It does retail for $9.98. And it says, baking up a Christmas kitchen has never been easier. The Quilt As You Go Jolly Gingerbread Potholder Kit by June Taylor includes printed thermal batting, 2 die-cut pre-fused fabric shapes, instructions, and video tutorial link to make a tasty set of pot holders. There is even a QR code to download free AccuQuilt Go embroidery designs for additional embellishment options. This kit is a perfect mini project choice for the Fat Quarter set in this Jolly Box. And there are the die-cut gingerbread men right there. And if you can see, I believe the embellishments here are the embroidery. So please let me know down below if you have an AccuQuilt Go. I do not, but I would love to know what your thoughts are on it and if you find it useful. Finally, we have this Christmas Candy Dish quilt pattern. This does retail for $9.98, and this is by the Fat Quarter Shop. And this says, this Christmas Candy Dish quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is keeping it minty and merry. Easy to piece peppermint canes and candy swirls, about to create a warm and welcoming Christmas quilt. Only available in this Jolly Box, the pattern pairs perfectly with the Holiday Cheer Fat Quarter Bundle in this box as well. And there are limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. At least there were. The last time I looked, those were sold out maybe even a week ago, week and a half ago. So this is a 52.5 by 52.5 inch quilt. And then the fabric requirements are here on the back. Okay, I did go ahead and add up the total contents of this box, and it came out to $80.38. And like I said, we only paid $51.94 shipped for this box, so you made out quite a bit, almost $30. All right, well, that's all I had for the 2023 Jolly Box. Please let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was. For me, it was the pot holder by June Taylor. I love her stuff, and quite frankly, I really needed new pot holders anyway, so I'm happy to get started on that project. And as always, if you like seeing these videos, please like and subscribe. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.